Hello again, YouTubers and fellow Beybladers. Team Blair and I 6 here with a very special treat for y'all. So, I've talked about it, and I have a special unboxing video, or unboxings video for you. And so, introducing up first, BAM! The Beyblade Gear String Launcher. Fast launch. That's the WBBA hasbro right there. Yeah, sorry if there's a glare. I'm going back to the webcam. But wait, we're going to need a new Beyblade to test this out with. And introducing what I'm going to be unboxing first for y'all. Shabam! Legend Counter Leone. Legend Counter Leone has there's the stats on the back for you, if you can see them. Has the Energy Ring Leone, Fusion Wheel Counter, Spin Track 145, high profile spin track, and tough defense tip to withstand attacks. So, oh yeah, we're gonna test it out. And if I'm not sure, maybe the string launcher will work on our launcher grip, maybe not. If not, you know, I'll try and order the old-fashioned launcher grips online. So, let's go first to the string launcher. And includes custom stickers, which I will not be using, but they're pretty beast, you know. Anybody want some stickers? I got some for you. Pretty nice. Yeah, that'll work for me. Yeah. It's a metallic red kind of color, or chrome red. I don't know how that would work. But it's pretty beast. You know, fast launch. I may do what that one guy did in the video and upgrade it to where the string's not as thick. But, you know, pretty nice. Alright, now let's get to the Beyblade we're going to be testing it with. Legend Counter Leone, which, of course, y'all know me, I'm going to end up doing some customization with it. Oh yeah. So, let's get everything out here. Okay, so you got your yellow ripcord, you know, pretty lame. Of course, you got your instructions. We don't need them, because you'd think by now I know how to do that. And code, which I'm going to give away with the code for Poison Pegasus once I get up to 100 subscribers. And, of course, you got your stickers. You're gonna need your stickers. Stickers are a must. Alright, so we got our white face ball, kinda like the one for Rock Leone. Then we got our counter metal wheel. Leone energy ring. The 145 high profile spin track. Beastly. And our defense tip. I really like how the tip is. It's kind of like wide defense, only it's not as wide. So this is actually a pretty dark yellow. With the light in my room, you can't really see what that does. Yeah, it makes it a little bit better on quality. It's really a dark yellow launcher. And then of course you got your tool. So let's slap this baby together real quick. I'm not gonna do a battle in this video. I really hate doing this with the face bolt. Screw it, I'm getting my knife. Knife always comes through. Screw. I hate having absolutely no fingernails. Sad part is, I'm not even a nail biter. Ah. Sorry if this isn't very entertaining to y'all. Almost got it. No. Dang-nabbit. Look at how... I don't know why, out of everything, the face ball is what they have. Got it. Man, they really make you work for the face ball. Guess it's because the face bolt's what brings the whole bay together. It's supposed to be like the most important part of the bay. Oh yeah. Okay, just like so. Where is the defense tip? And it was under the launcher. And ba-bam. And ba-boom. So, first, let's show you with the standard launcher. Let me put you up here on our little pedestal, whatever you want to call it. Because remember, we're testing both lesion counter leone and the string launcher. Grab it. And there you have lesion counter leone. Pretty awesome bay. Now, let us test the one and only string launcher. 3, 2, 1. I knew that would happen. Remember, y'all, this is my first time ever using a string launcher instead of a standard launcher. Let's try that again. I'm gonna have to get used to the whole string thing. But sooner or later I'll get used to it. So you just that was a little bit better. Like I said, I'm gonna put the stickers on this, customize it, probably put the wide defense instead of normal defense. But you know what I'm saying. So there we have it. Me for first time using a string launcher, and Legend Counter Leone. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys next video. Goodbye, and don't forget about our code giveaways. Have an awesome day, and as the awesome Eleanor says, bay away.